Hey, hello all. So today we are going to see about how to install SQL Server 2022. I have downloaded Evaluation Edition from Microsoft website and I copy to my local VM over here. So let's install SQL Server 2022. So it will ask whether you are going to download or custom. I'm going to download. So ISO file or cap file. I'm going with ISO file downloads and click download. So it will complete in 1 minute. So download completed. Close. Yes. That's the file. Let's run setup file. It's in progress. Let's wait. Okay, so go to installation. We are going with new one. New installation standalone. So it's evaluation edition. Let it be. Next, accept the terms and condition. Next, next. Firewall rule warning. Let it be. Next. I don't need Azure. So uncheck and next. So what we are going to install? SQL Engine. We are going to install SQL Engine application. Machine learning. So replication. Then I don't want anything. Data quality, cat features, select scan, most. Yeah, that's it. So next. So I'm going with named instance. Instance name is SQL 2022. So next. So this is a standalone server, not part of any AD group. So let it be. You can change it later if you want. Collation also I'm not changing it. Next. Going with next mode. So SA password using my current use. Okay, directories. I have only one, so I'm not going to do anything. I have six cores, that is why it is showing us six. Let me show you. I have assigned six processors, so that is why it is showing six. So let it be default one. Max top also it's coming from processor which assigned. Let it be. We can change all the software installation. Install. Let me pause the video when I can resume it once it is completed. Installation completed. Let's check how it looks like. 2022. Okay. Um, Maybe it will stop state. Let's stop it. Start it. Okay. What are running? Let's install SSMS. SSMS setup. Double click on SSMS setup. So it will open a new window to install. Just click on install. Let's wait till it installation. Let me pause this video. So installation completed. Let's open SSMS. Services were up. Okay, we have connected with SSMS application. All good. So let's check the version from here. Select at 7. Yes. Attack version SQL version. Okay, 2022 RPM. So we are good with SQL Server 2022 installation. Let's in the next video. Thank you.